Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you two best free and open source notes app for any computer and smartphones. So without any further more delay, let's begin. So on the first list we have the standard notes. So for this what you need to do, just open the web browser and in the Google search just search this application name as standard notes. To search this application standard notes, once you search this you can see its official website on the first list. Just click on it. Now you can see its website, so you can see your download for Windows, and just scroll down below you will see tons of applications available for different operating systems like Mac computers, Windows, Linux, even for the mobile devices like the smartphones, like the iOS, that is for iPhone devices, even for Android smartphones, and even it's available for web browsers. So you can access these applications even by going to the website also. So here I'll be using a application for Windows, since I'll not be using a web versions or any other operating or any smartphone. So here I will be using the Windows applications, but the procedure will remain the same. So I'll just click on Windows to download it firstly. So I will just download the file first. So wait for a few seconds until the downloading gets complete. So finally our download has been completed. So let me go to the folder where it's being downloaded. Now you can see the software application file. Just double click it to run the installer. So finally the application has been installed. So you will be shown this kind of message. So here you will need to sign in or register to access the files that you create. So if you have not registered earlier, then just click on register and create your standard notes account. So here I'll be directly signing in since I have already created a account on standard notes. So I'll just click on sign in. Now it will ask you your email and password, so let me type the email and password. So finally I have logged in, so it will directly sync all the files that I have created in my standard notes account. So here you can see tons of notes that I have already created. So it automatically syncs once you open or run this application. So you don't need to click a sync or enable or disable sync, because the sync is automatic. So once you use or open this application, whether it's the first time, second time, whenever you open the applications, it will auto sync every files that you have created under it. So it's very minimalistic design. So you can see on the right side it will display the complete page. Here you can see a complete page on the right side, and in the middle you will see a section wise. If you have created a various, then it will show you section wise. Even you can create a text. Here you can see above the text, just below the title of the notes, you can just add a text for easy findings. So it's very minimalistic design, but the sad part here is that you can't add any media files or any picture files here. It's completely a text. You can use any symbols to add, but you can't add pictures or any charts or anything like the boxes, like anything like charts, diagrams, or anything you can add here. So a good thing here about this application is that it's totally free of cost, and you can use this application throughout any computer, any smartphones, and even if your operating system does not support any applications of this standard notes, then you can use any web browser and visit to its website to access all your standard note files. So what is the best thing about here is that it provides unlimited file upload. So you can upload any notes files unlimited. So here is no limit for any notes that you can upload. In the most popular notes applications like the Evernote, OneNote, or whether it's a Google Keep, there is a limited in the cloud storage, right? But if you use this application known as standard notes, you can upload unlimited notes files. So this is the best thing about these applications, and it's really a very secure also. I'll not say 100% secure, since nothing is 100%, but it's far secure than most of the notes applications, because you can encrypt all the files one by one. You can encrypt, even you can see our options here. So you can see here under the options you will get a protect, you can lock, you can unpin, you can archive the file, you can change the font styles, margin resize. You get some options to add extra protection also. So you can see you can lock this particular note applications, or you can just protect by adding some passwords. So these are some features this free and open source notes apps is providing for you. So definitely you should try it out, and it's one of my favorite notes application that I'm using every day. So definitely check it out by yourself. So on the second list we have the simple note. So once again open the web browser, and in the Google search just search this application name as simple note, and you can see on the first list it's official website link. So just click on it. So now you can see its official websites. Just scroll down below, and you can see here available on all your devices. That means it's available for almost every computers and smartphones. So you can see here it's available for iOS devices like the iPhone, iPads, even for the Mac computers, even it's available for the Android smartphones, Android tablets, even for Linux computers, even for available for Windows, and even you can see other downloads also. When you click on other downloads, it will take you to more download options. So you can see in below tons of files you can see available for different operating system. So here I will be using a Windows version. So you can see here simple note win 2.8.0.exe, since Windows uses a .exe extension file. So if you're using Apple computer you can use a .dmg. If you're using a Linux computers you can use either the deb, appimage, tar.dz, .rpm, tar.gz, whichever you like. So in my case I'll be using a Windows version, so I'll be just clicking this one to download this file. So I will firstly download this file. So wait for a few seconds until the downloading gets complete. So finally our file has been downloaded. So let me go to the folder where it is being downloaded. So let me close the web browser. So you can see the installer application. So I'll just double click it to run the installer. So just click on install. Wait for a few seconds until the installation gets complete. So the installation has been completed. So you can see here, run simple notes. Just click on finish. Now it will ask you for the email and password. So as I've already created an account, so I'll be directly putting my email and password, and I will be clicking on login. So if you have not created an account, you can see below sign up. So just create an account by going to sign up. So I'm not showing this part, so you sign up to register or create a simple note account by yourself. So I'll be using my email and password to log in. So I've logged in. So wait for a few seconds. So you can see all my files will be auto sync, just like the earlier application named as Standard Notes. It's almost looks similar like the Standard Notes, but there are some few differences which I'm going to show. So it's also a very minimalistic design. So you can see all the notes headlines on the left side, and on the right side it will display the complete notes file. So on the here you can see to create a new notes, you can just click on this create a new notes, and you can just create a new note. You can type the note, and you can even add a checklist also. If you want to add a checklist, you can add a checklist if you wish to add a checklist also here. And here on the left side you will get some options like file edit. So in the edit options you will get option to cut, paste, and in the view you can sort the files like date modified. You can just arrange or rearrange the how you want to display all the notes, whether the as per short type, as far as you want to list all the notes app by date modified, date created, or alphabet, or reverse. When the note display, how you want to display the notes, copy, condense, or there is one more, expanded. So expanded will display the some notes portions also, and if you want just want to display the headings, then you can just select the contents one, and it will just show you the headings portion. So this is also very minimalistic design, and the good thing also about this is also it's totally free of cost, and it's also a open source notes app. And the good thing about this application is that it's available for any computer, as I have already shown by going to its website, and it's available for most of the smartphones like Android and iOS devices also. So you can use the same notes application across any computer and smartphones by using these applications. So you can access every notes file whatever device you use, whether you are using a Windows computer, Mac computers, or iPhone devices, or Android smartphones, any devices that you are using, then you can use either of these two applications to create and sync throughout your different devices. And a good thing about this application also here that there is no limit of the file size that you can upload. So you can upload as much notes file that you want to upload for a day or for a month or for a year. So it's almost unlimited. But the sad part of this application is also similar like the earlier Standard Notes. Here also you can add any pictures, video files, or any voice notes. This is also very simple note applications like the Standard Notes, which I have shown you just few minutes before. So if you are really in the need of a simple notes app which you can use in your computer as well as in your smartphones, and which has a sync facility, then definitely you should try these two applications. So try these two applications by yourself, and if you find any difficulty in using these two best free and open source note apps for any computer and smartphones, then feel free to leave your comments below. I'll try my best to help and guide you with your problems. So if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.